Okay, follow the same 5-day method with all unit. Let's begin. You're gonna have a perfect American accent. You know you have to practice every day and you need to use all your energy every time you practice. Did you know that anyone can develop a clear accent? What does it take to speak with a clear accent? What you have to do? Well, you gotta follow the effortless English pronunciation 5-day method. You ought to repeat each step at least 5 times a day, though more is better. If you want to improve faster, you need to practice even more every day. Are you willing to focus every day? Won't you trust me and follow the system? Didn't you buy this course because you wanna speak with a perfect American accent? You got this course because you need it. Be patient. Don't stop it before you finish. Success takes time and everyone has to practice to improve. Keep going and you'll do it. You are gonna succeed.